In this video, we're going to explore the less and more commands. These commands are useful for viewing file contents one screen at a time, especially when dealing with large files that would otherwise overwhelm your terminal. Let's begin by understanding what file pagers are. File pagers are tools that display text files one screen at a time. They allow for easy navigation through large files, preventing overwhelming output in your terminal. These tools are essential for reading logs, documentation, and any other large text files. Some common Linux pagers include the less command, which is more powerful and flexible, and the more command, which is the original Unix pager. Both of these commands allow you to scroll through files and prevent your terminal from being flooded with text. Now let's explore the more command. The more command is a simple pager that displays text one screen at a time, only allowing you to move forward. To use it, type more followed by the file name, such as /etc/password, to view the password file. You can also pipe the output of another command to more. For example, you can use cat_large_file, txt pipe more, to view the contents of a large text file. While viewing the file with more, press the spacebar to advance one page or press Enter to advance one line. Here are some key controls for navigating using the more command. Press the spacebar to move forward one screen. Press the Enter key to move forward one line. Press B to go back one screen, although this may not work in all versions. You can also search for a specific pattern by typing /, followed by the pattern you're searching for. To find the next occurrence of the pattern, press N. To quit the more command, press Q. Keep in mind that more is primarily designed for forward navigation only. Now let's move on to the less command. The less command is an improved version of more, with bidirectional navigation and more features. To use it, type less followed by the file name such as /var/log/syslog to view system logs. You can view a file with line numbers by using the N option, like this, less nscript.sh. You can also pipe the output of another command to less. For example, you can use grep to search for a specific word, and then pipe the results to less. Remember, less is more. The less command was designed as an improvement over more, with backward navigation and additional features. Here are some basic navigation keys for the less command. Press the spacebar to move forward one screen. Press B to move backward one screen. Press the down arrow or J to move down one line. Press the up arrow or K to move up one line. Press G to go to the first line. Press Shift+G to go to the last line. Press Q to quit less. Press H to display the help screen. Unlike more, less allows both forward and backward navigation. Now let's explore some advanced features of the less command, such as searching and marking. To search forward for a pattern, type /, followed by the pattern you want to search for. To search backward, type $, followed by the pattern. To find the next occurrence of a pattern, press N. To find the previous occurrence, press Shift+N. You can mark the current position with a letter by typing M, followed by the letter. To go back to the marked position, type ' followed by the letter. You can use the I option to ignore case in searches. You can also use the N option to display line numbers. To see the complete help screen, press H while in less. Here are some useful options for the less command. Use the N option to show line numbers. Use the I option for case-insensitive search. Use the S option to chop long lines and prevent wrapping. Use the F option to quit if the content fits on one screen. Use the +F option to enter follow mode, similar to the tail-F command, which is useful for monitoring log files in real time. As a pro tip, you can combine these options. For example, you can use less file txt for case-insensitive search, line numbers, and no wrapping. Now let's compare the less and more commands. The less command offers bidirectional navigation, advanced search capabilities, the ability to mark positions, line numbers, follow mode, horizontal scrolling, and more keyboard shortcuts. On the other hand, the more command has a simpler interface and is available on all Unix systems. It provides basic search functionality but only allows forward navigation and offers limited options with no line numbers or marking positions. In conclusion, less is generally preferred for its flexibility and features, but more is useful for its simplicity and universal availability. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.